Hi everyone! Meet the Biolomix Immersion Blender 5-in-1, a versatile kitchen tool designed to handle all your blending needs. With a powerful 1200W motor and sus 304 stainless steel 4-leaf blades, it effortlessly blends, chops, and whisks tough ingredients. This blender includes a milk frother, whisk, beaker, and chopper, perfect for smoothies, soups, sauces, baby food, and more. You can adjust its speed infinitely and use turbo mode for extra power when needed, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. The detachable parts are made of professional-grade stainless steel, making cleanup quick and easy, plus they're dishwasher-safe. Whether you're whipping cream, making guacamole, or frothing milk for your coffee, this blender has you covered. Experience precision and convenience in one compact, easy-to-use appliance. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.